Harassment in the Workplace, Case Scenario 1. In a mess deck, there's a group of men sitting around a table. They begin to brag about their exploits during a recent port call to Singapore. Each is trying to outdo the other, and the discussion quickly becomes more and more vulgar and graphic. A cadet is within an earshot of this conversation and begins to feel uncomfortable due to the situation and the language being used. He politely asks the group to stop. The group of men begins to yell slurs and physically threaten him. In this scenario, the cadet experienced more than one form of harassment. Verbal conduct, such as epithets, derogatory jokes or comments, slurs or unwanted sexual advances, invitations or comments, bullying or hazing of any kind. When confronted with unwanted or offensive sexual attention, the victim has two obligations: voice an objection, and if the behavior continues, make a formal complaint. What should the cadet do now? The cadet should now report the incident to the chief engineer or master if they are underway. If they are in port, the report would be made to the fleet manager of human resources. He could also make the report to his supervisor, a company officer, or the designated person ashore who is available 24/7. The report needs to be written and signed and should be made as soon as possible. The chief officer, mentor, or designated person ashore are obligated to follow this complaint up the chain of command.